Alright, hello everyone. Today we're in downtown Kawaramachi, downtown Kyoto Kawaramachi, and we're here again. I was just here a week ago, but I was planning to go to Osaka today, but my girlfriend and her friend went to like this special restaurant that's in the last video. And what I thought it was supposed to be a food festival, but it happens to be just a restaurant that has a lot of different types of food in Asia, like Thai food, Korean food, and Taiwanese food. And it's supposed to be like a representation of like night market food around the world. So they're eating there. They didn't have one more spot for me. They were fully booked, and it was like a 50-minute walk. I mean 50-minute wait. But I'm gonna maybe try to find some food by myself. But look at how quiet this back area is. And then once you get out to the public right here, not to the public, to the main street here, it gets pretty noisy and busy. I guess it's not that noisy or busy, but it is busy though. I want to go check out the Apple store. I've been wanting to buy an Apple Mini, and I just came back from there, and it was really quiet down that street. I'm looking to buy an Apple iPad Mini, and I wanted to go look at it. So maybe they'll have it in stock, maybe, or maybe they'll have some displays. So I'm gonna go check it out over there, and then we'll go look around for some food. This place looks really busy. I just want to go look at the iPad. I might need a reservation actually. It says shopping. Alright, that guy was really nice, but I guess you need a reservation just to even like get inside of here. I just want to look at the iPad. Oh, I could see it. I could see it. It's so close. I just wanted to like just look at it up close in person, but they said it's sold out. And he said that I can go to Yodobashi Camera, and look at this store. It looks just so nice. Yeah, they said the guy said I can just go to the store, Yodobashi Camera, maybe just check it out there. But yeah, if you guys wondering about my mask, usually I take off my mask, but I had an issue. I scratched the pimple, and then it got out of hand, and now I have like this huge gash in my face. So actually I wanted to make a video last Saturday and I couldn't because I had that huge gash on my face, and my girlfriend was just saying just wear the mask. So I guess I'm just gonna wear the mask, and hopefully I can show you guys my face next week. I'm not sure if you guys want to even see my face, but yeah, I'm gonna there's a Vietnamese restaurant around here, so I'm gonna go check that out. That's another thing too. I don't want to go into a restaurant, take off my mask, and then oh, look at this. This bike parking lot. It's so busy. Yeah, I don't want to take off my mask and then show everybody my crazy gash. But I'm sure it's not noticeable. I can't even shave. Got like kind of mustache too, so maybe if I'm like against the wall or something like that. But I'm gonna go to that Vietnamese restaurant, see if they have any food. Not see if they have any food, but see if they're open. And then just maybe walk around these back streets here. The state of emergency has just finished, so I also wanted to see, are more people out right now? Oh, look at this cool little old school snack shop. Whoa, pretty cool. Look at this place. It smells old. Oh, this place smells old too. Like just like not like old as in a bad way, but it smells old like just like you can just smell like what it was like back then, maybe 20 years ago. Alright, maybe we just keep it going. Just don't stop. But my battery is gonna run out soon. Nishiki Market is right here. It's Nishiki Market. What's this? Oh, sumimasen. Almost ran into the guy. Alright, should we walk to Nishiki Market? I've made so many videos about Nishiki Market. This place here. Oh wow, look at this. Whoa, man. It's authentic right here. Yeah, I've been to Nishiki Market so many times. I guess we can see it after state of emergency. This dog here. Alright, looks like it's pretty lively. Let me just change my battery. Alright, we're going in. Yeah, you know what? During the state of emergency, this place was so dead. Even the lighting I felt was really dim. But it looks like it's starting to come back alive. I don't know. Maybe not. The stores are still closed. I don't know if they just went out of business. Alright, we're just gonna walk through here. And oh wow. Wow. Oh. Just trying to, these ladies, those shrimp ladies are always trying to sell me stuff. I think they moved house. Looks like they're back in business, because I was here like maybe a month ago. No, maybe like 2 months ago, and it was pretty dead. Oh, look at these magnets. That's cool. I want a Kyoto magnet though. It's pretty cool. I think this is a new shop. Oh, that's cool. What is this? I don't know what this is. Let's get out of here. I'm stuck. Oh. Alright, we're just gonna keep it going. Maybe people want to see. Maybe this video will be like what it looks like after the state of emergency. I mean, there's only so many videos I can do. Oh wow, look at that. Oh. Wow, this is crazy. It's donuts. Uh-oh, stop. It's like a fried place. I hope the music didn't catch up. Alright. I hope the music wasn't heard. Oh, this whole side too. Look at this. Maybe they've kind of reinvented themselves. This or this whole area. Some seafood here. The socks place is new, I think. Yeah, a lot of these stores are closed. Half of them are closed. I think this place is new too. I guess this kind of gave them a chance to, I would say, restart. Oh. If you didn't know, Kyoto is going bankrupt right now. That's actual news, because there's no more tourism. So they're saying that they're on the brink of bankruptcy. Actually, this place is new, and it's kind of a shame because, oh, what's this? Kyoto steak. Nandemon Nishiki. Whoa, this place looks crazy. I think this place is new as well. They probably think I'm a tourist, maybe, or maybe Japanese. Oh, look at this place. Yeah, look at all this fresh fish. But you know what? No one's gonna buy them. You know what I mean? This whole like there's some ice cream, green tea ice cream. I mean, you know, this whole place, they have all that fish. Nobody's gonna buy them today. Probably gonna be wasted. And yeah, so so Kyoto is going to they're on the brink of bankruptcy, and And I think, you know, the government really wants to get things going and get the economy going again. So I'll probably make, if you're new to this channel, I usually make some updates because I know people want to know about nice. I like this. It's not that bad. $27. You got some pumpkins in the back. You got some American style pumpkins for $10. Yeah, I know people want to get updated on what's happening here. Look at the shaved ice place. I think this place is new too. Look at this. This place is fancy. Yeah, I think this place is new. But yeah, I think people want to be updated on what's happening right now. So I'm gonna make, once I have some time, I'm gonna make some another probably bicycle vlog update on what's going on. I think this place is new too, this juice store, or I think they've kind of expanded. Yeah, I'm trying to wait until like things really do, when they really sent out the information out about what they're gonna do next. Because right now there's not much talk about anything except for lifting the state of emergency. Yeah, lifting the state of emergency and trying to get the vaccines out and trying to get the infection rate lower. So that's kind of where we're at right now. And then I think once, you know, they're satisfied to a point where the infection rates are very low, the state of emergency is no longer here, and you know, everyone's vaccinated, I think then they're gonna start talking about travel. But look, there's a lot of people here. I've been here twice since the state of emergency and it was completely dead. Nobody walking through here. There's a lot of people coming through here, and it's a Saturday afternoon. It's about 3 o'clock. So it's nice. It feels nice coming back here, and things are opening now. It's an egg place. It feels like it's almost back to normal. I guess there hasn't been like a real big change, but you know, it feels like people can start breathing again. I should be getting a vaccine, the first shot, soon. I might make a video about it. Oh, this sweet potato smells really good. Like dried sweet potato, $4. Those people were making a bunch of videos. I don't know if they're like live streaming, but one lady was using an iPad Pro. Yeah, I could never get sick of walking down to this place. I feel like there's nothing like this. Well, in this area at least. Kyoto, Kobe, this Kansai region. I feel like there's no market area that is this interesting in this area. I think this is probably the best. There's some mochi. Whoa, look at this. Strawberry, got some green tea. That looks really good. Oh, they got some ice, so it's like cools. Chestnuts, those are probably seasonal. Man, all the smells are so strong. This is some sort of tea shop. It's pretty cool. It's nice that these nice that the people are coming back and kind of get some normalcy. Here's some nuts. Some peanuts. Yeah, it feels a little bit alive now. Oh, look at these. Feels nice. All this different smells out here. The feels, you're getting all the holiday feels. That's what I live for. These weekends where you feel like you're on a holiday. Oh, what? They got an eating space. That's something new, I think. So maybe back there, they have some eating space. It's for this restaurant though. Some apples. A fruit store here. I mean, it looks like it's I feel like it's like 60% back, maybe 75%. But it's a stark contrast. I mean, I don't know I don't know if I can find the old video, which was like a oh, look at this pineapple sandwich. That looks really good. I don't know if I can find the old videos, but I know I always walk down here. And in that video, it was completely dead. This was maybe middle of the summer when they had the state of emergency. So we're just gonna end the video here and then start a new one. I'm gonna check out that Vietnamese restaurant maybe, see if it's any good out there. But yeah, we're here in the busy section over here. Look at this. Alright, so hope you enjoyed coming along with me. I'm gonna make some more videos going over there, maybe the Vietnamese restaurant. Maybe I won't eat, I don't know, but I'm gonna continue to go down this street and then walk around in the back alleys. So I hope you look out for those future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you guys later. Goodbye.